This is my entry to like social media, guys.
Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm Body if you're new here, and if you are a returning subscriber, welcome back. My friends are looking at me, they're just like shy. You know what, I'm not a shy girl. Anyways guys, on our way to Pick and Pay, refill our water bottles. I will show you in a minute. So yeah guys, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, comment to my vlogs, reshare with your family and friends, okay, and yes, like my videos guys, please. What a gorgeous babe I am.
It's sweet for you only, so baby do it right, do me right. We can go over time, we can move fast then rewind. When you put your body on mine and collide, collide. It could be one of those nights where we don't turn off the lights. Wanna see your body on mine and collide, collide. Baby, it's all yours if you want me, all yours if you want me. Put it down if you want me tonight. Say it's all yours if you want me, all yours if you want me. Put it down if you want me. Let's collide.
Waking up, she on it. Good love in the morning. Get on top, my cojones. I play to you for the moment. This don't come with no warranty. You want it but can't afford it. My world is different than yours. Your opinion of me is glory, glorifying in all these forms. Back to Future and DeLorean. You ain't used to feeling this important. Cars imported, girls imported, insubordinate, get deported. Baby, check my inventory. Got a whole lot in store for you. Birkin bags, purple tags. I can put a whole lot of shit on blast. Vera Wang, Balenciaga. Baby, you ain't never too fly for that. I talk a lot of shit, cause I can back it up. She know I'm shit, so baby, back it up.
We can go over time, we can move fast then rewind. When you put your body on mine and collide, collide. It could be one of those nights where we don't turn off the lights. Wanna see your body on mine and collide, collide. Baby, it's all yours if you want me, all yours if you want me. Put it down if you want me tonight. Say it's all yours if you want me, all yours if you want me. Put it down if you want me. Let's collide.
I hope like it's a garden of refill just the water. Anyways guys, so remember I said no, I am not gonna. Anyways guys, remember I said hold Roreka, these girls are disturbing me so much. It's
Like in the front.
one disturb anyway.
Doing my, entrance. This is my entry to like social media, guys. It's not for some tales.
You got potential. You got potential. You got potential.
Guys, whenever we come here, like we leave little more things that we intended. This turns out that when I want this step. Yes guys, I hope you heard me. Lawan? Yes guys, this is me for the day. When we have plans.
You dropping famine, natural disasters. My baby is built around me. Kingdom be falling, angels be calling. None of that could ever mean.
2,000 years.
Hi guys, welcome to another day and this vlog. Yo guys, karika sa vloggy. I know on my last vlog, I hope you can hear me. This situation yes sound it annoys me too. Like I can imagine on you guys how you feel. Next second I'm good, another second I'm good. Like I really hope I'm good. Cause without a mic I have to scream until and I can scream can I never until so please bear with me guys. Anyways, can I give a little when I did my hair, me ratting ya fela. Can I give a little guys? It's been a while. Yo, anyways, I wanted to say, anyways, I want to say, sorry for leaving you guys like that on the last vlog. I got sick and I was like, let me just end this because obviously my health comes first. Can take check out this like making to the green. My health comes first, guys. So yeah, I'm so sorry for leaving you guys like that. Can't get some load of it. There's so much to catch up on. Today goes out the laundry. And then I wanna go to the mall because of I have a package it's in the light, they go at home. But because of the big go bash, get only one package today. So guys offer, but I need that package today. So I don't know. Maybe get later. No, but my laundry. Then I get then I got probably get go longer at my package because I really need that package, guys. Anyways, guys, ke vlogile nyana nako ke loloa. No, I'm lying. I'm not sure if Lori like because I remember ke vlogile. I didn't vlog the process of Hulu because of nearly a private place. I'm on a mom. Exactly. So next time I'm is uncomfortable. And go na so I can say, ke couple of vlogger on so I needed to be respectful ka play ka her place, her space. Yeah, guys, there's so much to tell you guys. If there are enough clips, I will put it here. What I did on the day, I hope I get oh my God, I still dream about Makunya. I didn't know. Oh, I'm gonna buy them when I go there. Happy. And again, La Hopola, I said I'm gonna do weekly vlogs. No, I said I'm gonna do monthly vlogs. So a fellow YouTuber, get to be a YouTube here. A fellow YouTuber told me, "Oh no, girl, if you do monthly vlogs, they're gonna forget about you. Post that 9 minutes vlogs. It's fine. You're still starting out, anyways. But for us, we will let 30 minutes vlogs from you because they don't know you." And I was like, you're actually right. And thank you so much, Katleho, for your advice. So, yeah, guys, let's get into the video. If there's something again that I have to tell you, I will tell you. Because honestly, I love talking to you guys. Like, I get like introduce a vlog and then throughout the vlog music fail and what I'm doing. I want to update you. Oh my God, the coffee date was so nice. The restaurant was so nice. I'm gonna go. It's gonna be my regular spot. Blah blah blah. So now because of this thing, I just have to play music. But I'm gonna try by all means. Give a little update throughout the vlog, guys. I love you so much. Let's go do some laundry. Mwah.
It still gotta be so high. Weed always on my mind. No, he always on my mind. Don't ya? Know you want some of this purr. You ain't gotta say a word. Just walk that, let's get burned. It will roll up 100 fucking nuts. All up in my mouth now. All up in yo. This nigga got pounds of it. All up in his truck. Now we both look Asian. He waving and I'm drunk. I got dank shit in my cup. You know what I'ma do to you? I could give reviews to you. Slow, we X and we sipping on that juice. That's just what she choose to do. Slow, we come out fast. Speeding up the heartbeat, banging in my chest. When you put it on me, you relieve my stress. You got me so high, taking deep, deep breaths. You get me so high, you get me so high. I know you ain't a drug, but you get me so high. You get me so high, you get me so high. I know you ain't a drug, but you get me so high. You get me so high, you get me so high. I know you ain't a drug, but you get me so high. You get me so high, you get me so high. You get me so high, you get me so high.
POV.
But I can't tell where your hair ends and mine begins. If I only had a boy's tattoos, I would think that it's your skin.
Hi guys, I hope you can hear me on the way to the mall. I'm not gonna do loads of injuries. I'm just gonna pick up my package by Mazambani because I'm gonna make chips today, and then bread. If I buy other things, yo, kola, because I cannot tell it, I'm so broke.
Reflection in the mirror, don't decline. I can't even lie.
waking up, she on it. Good love in the morning. Get on top, my cojones. I play to you for the moment. This don't come with no warranty. You want it but can't afford it. My world is different than yours. Your opinion of me is glory. Glorifying in all these forms. Back to future and DeLorean. You ain't used to feeling this important. Cars imported, girls imported.
Hi guys, we have come to the end of this vlog. The reason why I started Laila on that day is because of Nikenya Komeka show we have enough footage for me to end this vlog. So yeah, we do have enough footage for this vlog. Please, if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe, comment, share with your family and friends, and then like this video, please guys. Thank you for reaching this stage of this vlog. I love it so much. If Lore, you have reached this vlog, and I hope if you have reached this stage of this vlog, the end of this vlog. Anyways, what else? Yeah, I'll see you on my next one. I love you so much. Take care. Bye.